Mental preparation is important for being successful. Think about your presence. Are you present in the classroom? Are you present or are you shopping online? Are you present or are you in the middle of a conversation on social media? Being present will have such an impact on your ability to concentrate in class, but also it will keep you from missing important things that are said, due dates, and other things that you can miss when you're not paying attention. Also consider your perspective. Right now, nursing school might feel like your entire life. If it does, I want to encourage you that a day is coming where you won't think about nursing school anymore. In fact, one of my favorite things is to talk to students that have graduated and to ask them what they think about when they think of nursing school. And they say, I just don't think of nursing school. So a day is coming where you won't be thinking about what you're doing right now. And I want you to take some encouragement in that right now it might feel like your whole life, but it's just a season and it will pass. And there is so much more waiting for you when you're finished. I'd also like to encourage you to be prepared mentally for class. And part of that preparation is reading the assigned reading. Whatever assignments are made, that pre-class preparation that's made is important to helping you be able to stay focused on what you're learning in class and to be able to learn and make the most out of your time. So do your best to come to class prepared. Do the reading that's assigned. Do the work that's assigned. And after class, complete the assignments. Those are there to help you study.
Nursing school won't feel so tough. Helping others won't be so rough. You are confident, compassionate, and so much more.